Good morning, students. Hi. Today in Pals Easy Commerce, we are starting with marketing mix, and let us understand what is this marketing mix all about. So, marketing mix, एक कंपनी को एक कंपटीशन की when they want to stand out, the service provider they adopt a proper blend of elements. और ये कौन से एलिमेंट्स है? प्रोडक्ट, प्राइस, प्लेस, पीपल, प्रमोशन, फिजिकल एविडेंस, प्रोसेस एंड प्रोडक्टिविटी, ये 8 पीस को ये ब्लेंड करते हैं और वो अपने मार्केटिंग मिक्स में वो लोग अडॉप्ट करते हैं एंड दे गेट द बेस्ट रिजल्ट्स फॉर द सर्विसेज. सो पीपल लाइक सच थिंग्स, दैट इज नोन एज द मार्केटिंग मिक्स. अभी इसमें the first thing I have is the product. So the service provider must design properly to create to the customers. Now see, value for money. When I'm talking about goods, when I'm talking about services, अभी people are very happy with the few service providers. जैसे जियो ने penetrate किया, तो everybody is very happy. First 2-3 years free, and now also what the data plan is way more cheaper than the others. तो एक होल्ड बना के रखा है. Are you understand? Like people have two phones also. So service provider must differentiate their services offering in relation to the competitors. So the service product must provide the core benefit that responds to the primary need of the, मतलब वो product किसके बारे में है या वो service किसके बारे में है, that you can never compromise upon. Like I also give you an example of Parle G. मतलब इवन इन द लॉकडाउन पीपल ने चाय और बिस्किट खा के भी एक मील की तरह यूज किया है. सो दैट इज द प्रोडक्ट. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? एंड इट हैज डिलीवर्ड दैट वैल्यू फॉर मनी कंटेंट. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट थिंग आई हैव इज द पीपल. सो डिस्पाइट टेक्नोलॉजी, many services still require direct interaction between the service staff and the customers. So that means what? Recruit. So I have to yet make sure मेरा recruitment अच्छा है, selection क्या अच्छा है, place. अभी आप call center को phone करते हो, so you want that जो भी आपका query है वो फटाफट solve हो जाए. Are you understanding? And the customers are not going to be rude to you. So that is known as the people. Are you understanding? So आज मैं ज़ारा में जा रही हूँ तो I want that वो salesman they will help me कि मुझे वही same piece चाहिए, मुझे different size चाहिए. So completely the staff has given that thing and it is on the people. उसके बाद I have is the place and the time. When I'm talking about place and the time, service needs to be delivered at the place and the time which is convenient. And franchisees है, तो अब आज मैंने नोबल में फोन किया, लाइक यही एरिया में देर आर 3 नोबल्स, मतलब विद इन अ 2 किलोमीटर vicinity. So I want within 10 minutes this medicine. So that is a place and the time. मेरे घर पे चाहिए और मुझे वो 10 minutes में चाहिए, आपको देना ही पड़ेगा. Are you understanding? So या 15 minutes. I will want that delivery from you. So service needs to be delivered at the place and time which is convenient to the customers. Therefore, service firms may use intermediaries such as franchisees to deliver the services to the end users. Uske baad I have is the price. So the service provider charges to the customers. The service provider must consider certain factors: cost of operation, competition in the firm, corporate image. All of that is the price. कि अच्छा आज मुझे इतना, मतलब some clothes, मतलब I have like I have realized that 5-10 साल पुराने भी कपड़े इतने अच्छे हैं because that price, that value for money, the objectives of the service firm, demand for the services, सब वो all of that is based on the price. Are you understanding? मतलब प्राइसिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आज अगर कोई 1000 रुपया भी चार्ज कर रहा है तो उसका मटेरियल, उसका फैब्रिक, उसका फिट के लिए वो चार्ज कर रहे हैं. सो दैट बिकम्स द प्राइस. उसके बाद आई हैव इज द प्रमोशन. व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रमोशन, मतलब मैं कैसे उसका मतलब सेल्स ज्यादा बढ़े, तो मैं कैसे लोगों के कम्युनिकेशन मिक्स वो इंक्लूड कर रही हूँ. सो वेरियस टेक्निक्स इंट्रोड्यूस कर रही हूँ कि उसका सेल्स ज्यादा बढ़े वाया माय प्रमोशन. तो उसमें एडवर्टाइजिंग क्या है, पब्लिसिटी मीडिया क्या है, वर्ड ऑफ माउथ कैसा है, सेल्समैनशिप कैसा है, ऑल ऑफ दैट कम्स अंडर प्रमोशन. उसके बाद I have is the physical evidence. So physical evidence में क्या है? So they are highly tangible, okay? And therefore physical evidence plays a very important role. Like for example, मेरा main है food. तो माई क्वालिटी, माई अपील, जैसे मैं पैक भी कर रही हूँ बॉक्सेस में, तो जब मेरे कस्टमर्स खोल भी रहे हैं, इट हैज टू लुक वेरी नाइस. दैट इज नोन एज फिजिकल एविडेंस. मतलब अच्छा दिख रहा है और अच्छा खाना भी है. सो दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. उसके बाद आई हैव इज द प्रोसेस. So when I'm talking about process, there is the internal environment, that is the ambience or the decor. So the furniture and fixtures inside the office, the dress, the uniforms of the service staff, and the lighting and the ventilators, all of that comes under process. Sometimes when I have is जब कोई लोग मेरे शोरूम में आ रहे हैं, तो अच्छा ऑफिस है, यूनिफॉर्म अच्छे है, ventilator light soothing hai. Most of you will see the showrooms have yellow lights, because वहां से वो चीज भी अच्छा दिखता है. Like you will feel that it looks very nice when you are seeing it. उसके बाद the eighth one that I have is productivity and quality. Are you understanding? Sorry, the next one I have is the process. The seventh one, what is the process? How a service product is delivered to the customers. So it involves the method and the sequence of actions with which the firm delivers that service elements. That means, suppose मैंने Ziggy मतलब order किया है with the restaurant, so they are going to have that the process that I don't want spicy food, I want this, I don't want oregano added, so whoever's thing, so वो हिसाब से वो process होएगा. वो हिसाब से they will write it on that thing that it is less spicy, or they might just attach it on the back what is being delivered. उसके बाद I have is productivity and quality. So improving productivity and quality of service is vital to the success and survival of the service firm. So they want to improve the productivity as well as the quality of the service. They have to keep trying different recipes also. और कौन सा वो hit जाएगा. So they have to also improve the productivity, improve the quality if required. They have to do that mix and match. So I hope students, now this marketing mix for services has become very easy. Just remember the 8 P's and you are good, Thank you, students, for listening. The source has been taken by me from Manan and Vipul Prakashan. Thank you, students.